Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. How everything comes into existence. Does it happen randomly or someone designed it? Yesterday, while during street dawa in Tampere, Finland, I met a man. We spoke about the purpose of our existence. I asked him the question, do you believe someone created the universe and everything in it? He replied, no, it all came by random chance. I wanted him to think, so I gave him an example. I asked him, do you know how a mobile phone camera works? He explained, yes, it has sensors that detects the light and convert to signals and send it to the processor, which produces the image. Then I told him, that's right. And the human eye works in a similar way. It receives light, converts to signals and sends them to the brain, which processes them into images you see. Then I asked him, if the camera in your phone needed engineers to design it, what about the human eye? He answered, the eye came through evolution, which is just a random process. So I asked him about the first living cell, because for evolution to happen, there must be a starting point. Even a single cell is incredibly complex. It has DNA which stores meaningful information. And there are molecular machines, tools inside the cells like ribosomes or polymerase that reads the information in the DNA and they produce the proteins which are the functional elements in the cell. Then I asked him, who assembled all this? Who put the information inside the DNA in the cell? How can pure randomness produce meaningful functional information and the tools or the machinery to read that information in the cell? He admitted he didn't know, but he repeated, keep on repeating again and again, it must be random. It's like a belief, he has a strong belief, it must be random, but he can't explain. Okay, but think about it. Randomness cannot explain the sequence of steps in gene expression from DNA to RNA to protein. This is a precise ordered system. Order requires intention. Design requires designer. If an iPhone cannot upgrade itself from version 1 to version 15 without engineers, how can life upgrade itself from a single cell to a human being with intelligence, sight, hearing, emotion and senses without any guiding creator? Everything in creation, from the smallest cell to the vast universe, shows design, diversity, purpose. Design means there is a designer, and that designer is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the all-knowing, the all-wise. Allah says in the Quran, Allah is asking a question in the Quran, Chapter 52 verse 35, were they created by nothing or were they creators of themselves? So I ask the people to think how we came into existence. Ask some deep questions. Just don't blindly believe. Some people say everything comes from random. Don't keep on repeating that word random. Just keep thinking. Then you will understand that this should be designed. We as creatures should be designed. Not only, there are so much things. If you look around, we see evidences of design by a supreme designer, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.